just the something on it. Oh my goodness. Just imagine it. So if the other colors is gonna be so gorgeous. Bam. Oh, it's so bright though.
It's very bright.
Nice. I'm loving it. Okay, here. You want to see that more foil from that one, or you want different foil from a different box? This box is so cool. You know what? I think I can do purple on that one. Should I do purple and should I do blue? Blue? Blue or purple? Blue?
On the glitter one? Or?
Voting. Blue or purple on this one? This one. Key lamb. This one is a key lamb. Purple?
Purple.
Or blue?
Purple.
Purple or blue?
Purple gonna hit a lot harder.
Aha. Alright, purple. Purple, blue, purple. Purple. It's like purple. Okay, purple it is. Let's do purple. And premium I hold channel for voice again for a lot of you just tuning in. Welcome to Glitz Assistant such live tutorial. This is me, Nancy, and thank you so much for all of you is spending time. Of course, purple is your birthstone, Mika. And we're all going to do, I'm gonna do it like on the diagonal, okay? Because I did French already. I forgot. I forgot to put the top coat on because then it might stick on the other side. So I'm gonna be careful, clear it, and then we're gonna do it just on the angle of it. This one is so beautiful. This is the sparkly white. Should we put another one on it? On this one? Because darker one? You want to see this sparkly white on this one? Let me do that one. This one is jade green. I love this so much. It's just so the bomb. It hurts for me to explain it to you when it looks like, and under the light it looks so bright right now. Ooh la la. That is so beautiful. Okay, here. You can do it any. You can do it any on the top of any colors or any colors you have it's right now in your collection. It doesn't matter. This one, it done, and I'm gonna using the purple. This one is, oh, can you move this one for a second? This purple is so adorable.
So did you fill the hole now?
No.
I don't know. I mean, like, did you precision glue the hole? Oh, no. Premium eye hole gel, the whole thing.
No.
Did you do the hole now? You have another hat? You can put another thing on it.
I can do another foil on it.
You can do another hat?
Look, it transfer everything. You can do another half foil, or you can leave it alone as it is and do crystal placements on it.
See how pretty that is.
And you can do this one in like gold illuminating. We can do pink on it. Should we do pink on it? It looks like gonna be a lot of colors though. All right, so go ahead and give it a little bit of the highlights on. Okay. That's it. Here. For 60 seconds. And the first, second, third. So that one was, and that one is so gorgeous. So we did sparkly white And then now with the next one we're gonna do is the, hold on, no, we didn't need to do these eyes on this. What did I do on this one? Nothing.
Laser top coat.
Did I top coat it? No,
Laser stick,
no
yeah.
top coat on. So wanna see more foil of this?
That's right.
I'll do for different foil. Are we doing different foil? We're doing some foil? This way? This foil. I'm having fun with it, can you tell? More foil. Oh, this one will be good with the 40 gel. Should we do 40 gel then? Oh, I found something fun. Let's do that. Transfer foil again. Premium IHO transfer foil. Either that one or this one.
I'll finish this one first.
This one done already? It's done? You want to see crystal on this or no?
You can leave like that.
We can do crystal on it.
You can do one big crystal on it. One big centerpiece.
Okay, what color? Pink opal?
Might be green. That deep green. No, big deep green.
Well, summertime, springtime. We're not doing dark deep green, baby.
Well, summertime you have a lot of tree, right? Tree grow, there's a lot of green. And you want your money grow too, so put some green on it.
Summertime is green. Summertime more of blooming.
Yes. So tree bloom, you always have leaf. Leaf always green.
Ah, I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, can I get my tray, Crystal? The purple, violets. All right. Well, I guess we can't do without no crystal, right? I'm gonna do condensed gels. Just bear with me and have fun and enjoy. So now, if you don't want any of a crystal at all, leave it alone. Top coat. Good to go. You do not have to go further as you are going to do like just like that. So you do what it makes you happy and how you like it. The other one is violet. No?
No, that's it.
You want to see this one happen?
This.
Oh, this one is cool.
That
This
will
one is
pop.
like a really awesome, like magenta. Like, which one you want? This one?
No, like if you want it, but like that,
This one. This one.
that will pop. That thing doesn't pop as much.
Is pop or not? It's up to you. If you feel it pop, it pop. Sorry, I just being goofy.
So
Sorry,
which one?
babe.
Which one?
Which
Which one?
I was like,
So which one you want? Keep one.
so
Baby
which
got
one are we doing? This one or two? This here's a one, and then two.
One at a time. So yeah, do that. Take this. Do the other one.
Moon nails. That's it. Pink. Here, pink. Right there. Hi, Dilly. Hello, ladies. Happy Saturday. Thanks so much for tuning in. Welcome to Glitz Live Tutorial. Happy Saturday. Hope y'all have a fabulous day. Okay, so don't forget, we are going to do the, you know what, top coat. Ah, this is so beautiful. And it is. Just leave it alone like that. It looks gorgeous. All right, now more option. Oh, maybe we should do heart. Because this is cute heart. It's going on right there. Oh, you have a marquise in. I love that how you are like freestyle. And can I get a frame? Can I get a heart frame? Like a big heart there?
Big heart?
Yeah. Give me a big heart frame. That one. Right here, babe.
And then you go.
That's it, everyone. That's all we're gonna go in to get. Hello. Hi, Tom. How are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Ah, yeah. This one is so cool. Nice. It's absolutely the statements for these nails. I'm loving this one. It's like, oh, it's hard to choose which one. That's it. Can I get the second kit? I think it's the second kit. I need to get a second kit for that. Just bright colors. I got pink already. I'm getting this is for my kids number 1. One second. It's an opal for my kids. Ultimate Crystal Kids number 1. Can you just scoop it in the tray, babe?
Which one you want?
The pink one?
Opal?
No, this one.
Sleeping? Yeah.
Right here, right. Thank you. I'm so excited. It's so beautiful. And it's such a great color. So vibrant. You were thinking of? It can not like adding any more of a crystal, but look at that. It's just really... So now if you don't want any crystals, I would suggest you are going to top coat here and you're good to go. You don't have to go above and beyond. If your clients love the crystal placement, you can definitely add it on. Not only make the clients as happy, also is going to upsell the service. Is so much even better. All right, here the heart. Okay, happy with this. We are going to here, but you know what? I think I need something. Just hold on for 1 second. Can you scoop that one? I really want to get the frame.
Which frame?
It's okay, I got it. I got it like this frame, but it's smaller. You see what I mean?
Okay, how many moon you want?
The moon, I just want 2 of them.
One small moon?
I want some more moon. All right. Move it out. Get the moon in here. That's what I want. It's okay, I got it, baby.
I'll take one more moon.
No, I have a whole tray here already.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And it's right on my right side and I didn't see it. I found it. So just in case that you like it happened like me, you did it on and then you know that you are going to add the more metal frames on. I'm gonna add it right here. Move my bead for a second, or just a little bit. I'm gonna add this one on. Am I under the camera?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no. Back in here. Okay, good. Look like an owl. Okay. Okay, you happy with this?